Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf. So just a quick crypto update video, what actually happened in the last 2 weeks. So since I made my last video on 31st of December, and after that we have seen a small pump towards the upside. The Bitcoin's price did struggle to break this important $90,000 towards the upside, but as soon as the price of Bitcoin did a breakout of this level, again we saw a huge dump in the price of Bitcoin, and still right now also it is struggling. So to be quite honest, full 2 weeks has not yet completed in 2026 yet, and right now the price of Bitcoin is just sideways and no movement at all obviously. But again, my stance on Bitcoin remains the same, which was in my last videos and all other previous videos, and the same is with Ethereum and Solana also. And this important $91,000 level will play as a crucial level of resistance as well as support in the future, because as you can see the price of Bitcoin is roaming around somewhat over here only. Because for shorter term, I mean, if you look by technical analysis or by chart pattern, you can see that there is some kind of a cup and handle pattern. So this is a bullish pattern, but if I zoom out, you can see this is also an impulse correction, and this can also turn out to be an impulsive downside move as well. That's why right now I'm not taking any trade. Obviously it is very risky, and I will take a trade if the price of Bitcoin again pumps towards the upside incessantly without a retest of this important resistance level. This important level at $91,000 is a very important resistance for Bitcoin, and if the price of Bitcoin breaks it towards the upside without any retest, and if I see some sort of good bearish reversal confirmation, then I will for sure enter in a short position over there. Obviously it will be very risky going against the trend, because there will be an incessant move from the buyers, and bears getting stimulated at that point of time can be risky. Again, do not copy trade me, this is just my own personal analysis and my personal setup. Don't copy trade me, and I mean, it's just not any personal advice. It's better to just take trade on your own, learn from your own, and don't copy anyone including me as well. So coming on Ethereum's daily time frame chart right now, and the same is with Ethereum, the same is with Bitcoin also. Right over here, as you can see, the price of Ethereum is also pumping towards the upside, and it did went all the way up over here at $3,300 near my important resistance zone, and again got a huge rejection, same like Bitcoin. And I did mention it in my last video also that the price of Ethereum is getting a reversal from $2,700 support over here. It is getting a reversal from here, but the important level for support for Ethereum is this over here. From $2,700 to $2,500 is the very important level for Ethereum to come and meet this target. This is a very important support, but yet again the price of Ethereum is just, I mean, pumping towards the upside, and plethora of buyers right now are involved in the market. And see, I'll be really honest, there is a small gap here remaining, and this is the important level for Ethereum, very important support, and there are very high chances that we can see the price of Ethereum dumping again towards the downside to fill this gap over here, like we did saw in Solana also, that the important level on Solana will meet, and exactly it did happen. Let's move to Solana's chart to discuss what I'm trying to say. So in the end, I'm on Solana's daily time frame chart, and if I zoom in, you can see over here on 22nd of June last year, the price of Solana came all the way down till over here approximately $125.8 level, and this was the important zone for Solana, 123.8. This is a very important zone for Solana. Right now it is a support zone for Solana from 123.8 to $119.3 approx. And I told you all that the price of Solana will come to fill this gap towards the downside, because and last time it was overvalued, and we have seen a huge massive manipulation pump in the price of Solana. And after that, as you can see, recently we did saw the price of Solana exactly coming and touching this zone once again. You can see this is a very crucial level for Solana. You can see the price of Solana came here, got a bounce back up, again over here support, again over here support, and again over here also support. So yeah, I mean, this is a very good zone to take a trade. I did took this trade over here in front of you guys, and I hope you didn't copy trade me, because I'm only sharing my own trades just so you can learn what's my thesis behind that trade and why I'm taking that trade, how I am managing my losses and profits and every single thing. Okay, so just learn from these trades. So well, I did not enter in a long position over here, because if you have watched my previous videos, you already know I was expecting a fake out towards the downside, breaking this level towards the downside, and then I would have entered in a long position. But that did not happen, and the market got reversed from here only, from this important support zone, and it's okay, not a big issue. But if you look closely, the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum and every other crypto is, or I would say, has pumped a little bit towards the upside in the past 2 weeks, and then again dumped, which I have already shown you in the first part of the video. But if you look at Solana, it is pumping very heavily, I would say, because where Bitcoin and Ethereum pumped this much and then dumped this much and then sideways market, the price of Solana pumped this much over here, dumped this much, and right now sideways. And the same thing here, you can see, pumped this much, a little bit dump over here as you can see, and then sideways market right now. So again, yeah, this is a very good support for Solana, and we are seeing a huge pump in the price of Solana also, and it did a retest as well. But again, it all depends on Bitcoin and Ethereum. If Bitcoin dumps heavily or Ethereum, then Solana will also follow. But the main question is that how low can Solana go from here? Because see, I've already shown you in the Ethereum part that there is an important level for Ethereum to go and meet that level, and for Bitcoin also there is a very important level. But for Solana, as you can see, that level, that important level for Solana is at $123, which is already very far. So expecting this huge dump in the price of Solana in shorter time frame is very, I would say, absurd. And to be quite honest, if Bitcoin dumps and Ethereum also dumps, obviously Solana will also dump, but I'm not expecting a big huge dump in the price of Solana again. And to be quite honest, as a trader, I don't care if the price of Solana pumps or dumps. When the price of Solana comes at near any of my resistance level or support level, I will take a trade according to the situations at that moment. And to be quite honest, right now I'm not taking any trade in Solana also, and it's better for me to just wait. And let's see if the price of Solana comes near my either resistance zone or my support zone for now, because it is in middle of nowhere and I will not take a trade here at all. So either it comes at my support zone or my resistance zone, then only I'll take a trade, or else no trade at all. That's basically my simple rule. That's pretty much it for today's video, and I know it is just a quick short video, but yet again, what actually happened in the last 2 weeks, what I am expecting this week and this year. And well, if you want to know what I'm expecting this year, then you can watch my previous video that I made on 31st of December, just few hours before the starting of a new year, because there I have explained you guys in a very expound way that what I'm expecting this year from crypto. And yeah, nothing much right now to share with you guys. And what do you guys think? What your analysis say? Do comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.